Wait, move your legs up. Whoa! Move, he's coming. Yeah, move, he's coming.
No, let it be.
Huh?
Cruise around and be good at turning. That's the best advice. I mean, the more you do it, like words can only teach you so much. You got to ride around and kind of look for yourself.
Show that picture.
Turn a little more.
Give me that? Yeah.
Good, good. So you ride your normal stance, you go up, you come down, go like that. And the way to do it is to start, you're riding, you turn your shoulders the opposite way, wind up a little bit, and then swing it.